Hello there. Just been admiring the stunning view. It's astonishing, wouldn't you agree? Can you believe that 150 tons of steel stands 65 feet above us? That's the height of 4 double-decker buses. Wow. The Angel stands directly above an old coal mining site. It really does highlight the sense of hopefulness that you might get from looking at it. Ah yes, the Angel of the North. It has really grown to become a northern icon to us. Completed in 1998 and designed by Anthony Gormley. 2018 marks the 20-year anniversary of this proud sculpture standing on the Gateshead skyline. Many things have happened since. There's even a rare species of daffodil native to the northeast, named after the Angel because of its partially rusty orange colour. It is 1998 and we are reporting live from the Angel of the North, Gateshead, during a protest.
Lifeless, ludicrous, it's an ugly piece of art. It's only built to show off the spectators who built it. It's not safe. It'll distract drivers. Lifeless, ludicrous, ugly piece of art.
Originally people were opposed to the piece of art because they thought it was blasphemy to the church and it compared it to Nazi sculptures and among other things they dug up. The majority of people were against it initially, but with funding from the National Lottery, Gormley still made his dream come true. I wonder what people will think of it in 20 years' time.
So is this your first time seeing the Angel?
No, for me it isn't, and for her as well, but for them it is. I find it really impressive. It's a lot bigger than I expected it to be.
Do you think it's like important for Gateshead?
I think it's wonderful for Gateshead. You know, it really puts Gateshead on the map. Before it was here, Gateshead was the sort of poor neighbour of Newcastle, and I think it just really connects the two, the town and the city together as one big area rather than two separate identities. Everybody going past it will see the Angel. It's just a fantastic use of the land, I think.
So have you lived here before the Angel was put up?
Yes, I've lived right in the area for about 30 years.
What do you think the sculpture's purpose is in Gateshead?
I think it was like a landmark when first we came up, but since then I've read the information on the stand and it says it's to commemorate miners, because I come through all the year and you see it in different light, and it's just it's wonderful.
So Ethan, is this your first time seeing the Angel? You've seen it before?
Second time.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's like a slide.
It's like a slide.
So is this the first time you've seen the Angel?
Yes, it is, in real life. I've seen pictures of it.
How does it differ from the pictures?
Well, it's huge, it's amazing, and it must be a good tourist attraction for the area.
Definitely.
Yeah. Can you believe that the Angel has been up for 20 years now? How much conflict there's been and how much opinions have changed? What do you think, Serena?
Well, it's pretty fascinating. I mean, it sets the scenery for Gateshead and it's quite a unique piece of art.
However, it did cost £800,000. That could be spent on schools and hospitals.
It's been non-stop. We've been here since 10 o'clock today, but earlier, and now it's way past lunchtime and it's just been constant tourists, so I would say that they probably earned more.
It's just like an icon in the northeast and it has a lot of meaning behind it. I mean, it was built on a former coal mining site and it sort of highlights all of the miners that worked here and the shipping industries. So as well as it having a downside, it still sort of makes people remember.
So I suppose to conclude, it's a really kind of breathtaking sculpture which it really signifies like the industries. It's really grown to be an icon in Gateshead and there's nothing that can change that now.